Hi YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we will learn how to delete your Facebook account permanently. Uh, if you are thinking your account will be hacked, or you are not using, you have an extra account, so you want to delete your account. So I will tell you an easy steps to delete your account permanently. First of all, you have to download. You're gonna Play Store and download a Facebook app. Are no, are you not want to download Facebook page, Facebook app? Then you will go on your Chrome and search a Facebook option. Then where you can open your Facebook account, and you can delete from there. But I have an Facebook app, so I want to open my Facebook app. For suppose I am clicking my Facebook app, you will see such type of interface. Now you have to click on three lines on the right corner of my mobile. Click on it, you will see such type of interface. Now you have to go on your privacy and setting option, and there are many options. I want to delete my account permanently, so I will go on my setting option. Now you will see there are many options: personal information, translation for post, aid payments. There are many options. For reactivate or deactivate my account, I will go on personal information, but I want to delete my account permanently, so I will not go on my personal information, but I will go on access and control option. Just click on it, you will see such type of interface. Memorization setting, decide what happens to your account after you pass away. These options telling us about your death option, but we want to delete account, so I will click on deactivation and deletion. It means your account will be deactivate permanently and will be delete on from your device. Temporary deactivation or permanently delete your account. Just click on it, you will see such type of interface: deactivate account or delete account. In delete account, and deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Facebook account, you will not able to retrieve your content or information you share on Facebook. It means if you're deleting your account, then all your Facebook shared post will be deleted or permanently. So I want to delete my account, I will click on this button. Okay, you will see zoom it, continue and account deletion. So I want to click on continue and delete options, so account will be permanently deleted. Okay, click on it. Now he's saying, I spent too much time on why you are want to delete your account. So there are many options. Spend too much time on Facebook, you are using Facebook on the many times, so you are not now you are you busy, not want to open your account, or so you want to delete. Then click on it. I have a privacy concern, I don't feel safe on Facebook, my account was hacked, mostly account hacked, so we will click on that option. Okay, account security on Facebook, protecting your account, and the option continue to account delete. Click on it. Okay, now scroll, you will see delete account option. Just click on it. Now he's saying enter your password before you want to delete your account. For suppose I'm entering my Facebook password. Okay, continue later. So here the account deleted, deleted my account. I want to confirm. Okay, you will see your account is scheduled for permanent deletion. If you think your video will be helpful, then make sure to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe Tag Schooling. Thank you.